up, you guys? It's Alexa and welcome back to my channel. So again, apologies, like a million sorries for not posting on time again this week. But anyways, I decided to do a 90s challenge where I lived in 1994 for a whole week. And you guys are probably asking like, why Alexa, why would you do such a thing? I was pretty much inspired by Jay Versace's full screen show. This past year itself has just been so crazy and non-stop that I wanted to just like pause and just like not have to deal with like social media and this and that. So yeah, that's mainly the reasons why I wanted to do this challenge. As you guys know, living in 2018, there's electronics for literally everything. I wanted to pick a year that was doable but not too easy. So I feel like if I did late 90s, that would have been way too easy because there's like Britney Spears and NSYNC. Cell phones were already a thing during that time, so I picked 1994. Debit cards weren't really a thing. Cell phones weren't really a thing either. I tried to go full out. So I did outfits, makeup, so what I was watching movies with, my camera, communication, which there was pretty much zero communication. Like I literally had to tell people and call them and be like, hey, so I'm starting the 90s challenge starting tomorrow, and if you need me, you're gonna have to call me because you can't text me. So, and let me tell you, a lot of people were not happy with me. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next time that I post. Also, before we jump into this video, I just want to share with you guys like my favorite video of 2018. You guys just have to watch till the very end. I literally die every single time I watch it. I probably watched this video like a million times. Anyways, with all that being said, let's jump into this video. So for day one's outfit, I wanted to do one of the most basic known 90s outfits ever in history. So I decided to wear a slip dress with an acid wash denim jacket and some combat boots, like the most basic 90s outfit you could ever think of. Day one was not as bad. It was the first day of the challenge. I didn't really have anything to expect. So I would say I was in a pretty happy mood. And this is what I'm gonna do for makeup. We're gonna try this. Hopefully I can make this work. I can listen to the radio because they did have radio back then in 1994, but it's all 2018 music. So I got some 90s CDs. There's only like 12 songs on the CD. Long Beach.
So much drama in the LBC. It's kind of hard being Snoop D-O double G, but
So also that day, we randomly decided to get tattoos. It was all fun and games until we had to sit in a tattoo parlor for like 2 hours and I had nothing to do. Say hi, Jerko. He was like, oh, I'm gonna get a tattoo. And I was like, what? Wait, I want a tattoo. So now we're here at the tattoo parlor. So we've been waiting for a while now for our tattoos, and unfortunately, all I can do is read a book while all of them are nicely on their phones, just killing time. Our surround wrap and rub it together. I'm just kidding. He is so done with me. So for day two, I really wanted my outfit to be inspired by 90s Winona Ryder because 90s Winona Ryder is like the mood. So for day two, I had so much to do, and you know what we didn't have back then? Google Maps. But what we did have was internet and MapQuest. I literally have no idea if MapQuest is still a thing, so let's see. Oh, it looks like it is. Who still uses MapQuest? On the day that I have a lot of things to do, look who runs out of ink. I have to literally write 5 pages worth of directions. So non-time efficient. Oh my god, how did people get through life in 1994? So this is going to be my landline for the week. 714-605. Oh my gosh, I hope that's his number. 19605. I'm doing my 90s challenge, so I can't text you. If it was like a landline. A lot of people were not too happy about that because a lot of people did not want to call me. They would rather just text me. So for day three, I wanted to do sort of like a hip hop look, and because I live in Long Beach, I thought it was like kind of perfect to do a 90s Snoop Dogg look. Gin and Juice came out in 1993, so I watched the video and took inspo from that. The outfit itself isn't that bad. It's just when I threw on the bandana, I was like, I'll stick out like a sore thumb. like I could be a part of TLC. What do you think, Oliver? Can I be a part of TLC? I guess that's a no. Credit cards, cash, and checks were like the only form of payment that you can do. They didn't really have debit cards back in the day. But yeah, I went to Target, wrote out a check, and yeah. I got my checkbook. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. I have a question for you. Do you guys accept checks?
You gotta write a check, right?
Do you guys still do that?
You're a young girl to be writing checks. You should know.
I'm prepared. I'm like, I at least want to do it once during this challenge. I did it, you guys. I wrote my first check.
She wrote her check.
It was actually very, very embarrassing. I started to form a line behind me, and I'm pretty sure they were kind of getting upset, like, why is this girl taking 10 minutes at the cash register?
Girl, I must warn you.
On day 4, I actually had 2 outfits. So my first outfit, I kind of wanted it to be like an ugly outfit. For me, I think it's cute personally, but I know a lot of people would not be a fan of it because it's just like not on trend. So I decided to pair this really bright pink color block shirt with some frumpy mom jeans and these mom Reeboks, which I didn't have in this clip because I let my friend Natalia borrow it. Shout out to Natalia because she watches my videos. And surprisingly, this outfit got the most comments out of all the outfits in this challenge. Guys, really, like, I was like actually trying not to get any compliments at all. Look at all my snackies, guys. These were like my favorites in the 90s when I was a little 90s baby. Actually, I didn't eat these because in 1994 I was a child and can only eat baby food. But I got the Gushers, the Fruit Roll-Ups, Hubba Bubba, Lunchables, Ring Pops. Very difficult to hold all these. Oh my gosh. Oliver, get your cone out of my frame. My second outfit is inspired by Claudia Schiffer. I don't know how to pronounce her name. I also had to pick up something from Amy that day, which I realized meeting up with someone is very, very difficult without a phone. Oh, see, I've listened to this like a million times already. I'm so sick of this CD. This song's gonna make me cry even more. This challenge is so hard. I was supposed to meet her at 3:45. It's 3:35 right now. I'm running really late and hopefully she doesn't leave. I have no way of telling her that I'm running late. Ah, this is so hard. How did people do this in the 90s? Oh my god, did people just like show up late? Did everyone just have like extra time to spare or something that they could show up late whenever and people could just wait around for them? I have no idea. She said she's gonna be here by the railings. Is that her? Nope, that's not her. Is that her? Nope, that's not her. Where is she? I just realized, you guys, I don't know how to get home. I don't know. Should I ask someone? If we're by the circle, I think I know how to get home, but I don't know if we are or not. I was right, you guys. We're at the traffic circle. Yeah, we made it. I got here with no direction. Day 5, I wanted to do something that my mom would totally wear in 1994, and I feel like I did a pretty good job because I asked her and she liked it. Oh, who used to play this song during Rock Band? I cannot wait to go back to 2018. I'm here for Lorna, is there any way that, does she have like a phone line to call? I don't have a phone to call her, that's why. So mom, do you like my outfit? It's inspired by you. Oh yes. Her daughter's a subscriber too, a rosebud. Hi Kathy. Hey guys, I'm Lorna Ramago. Welcome to my work. I do interior designing. The challenge was really testing my patience. I am someone that's always on their phone. Like I'm always trying to multitask. I'm either checking emails or responding to texts while something's loading or something's doing this. You know, I'm like trying to utilize my time. I was getting so pissed off. I just have so much to do. It's like, are you crying because you need to go potty? Oh, yep, he does. On day 6, I wanted to go a little grunge for my outfit, so I was very inspired by Kurt Cobain and Courtney Love. I actually picked up a VHS player, which I'm actually finding out, you guys, VHS players at thrift stores are pretty rare. Yeah, I have no idea how to set this up. I also, don't mind my trash, I also picked up the double cassette of Titanic. Literally have no idea how, like, am I supposed to put it in this way? This way? I want to say this. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to work this thing. The iconic scene, guys. At night, I kind of forced the girls to come over and have a little VHS party with me. We just watched VHS tapes on my VHS player and we took pictures with my film camera, and which I will post here. So you guys could see all the cute little film photos that I took during this challenge. Final Cut Pro, oh my gosh, from like the 90s.
90s sleepover.
Yay! You don't even know. I was so happy for it to be day 7. I was like, thank you. Day 7, thank you. So for my last outfit, it's of course 90s vintage Versace because that's like my favorite thing in the whole entire world. Since it was my last day, I wanted to do lunch with one of my dearest friends, David. And again, it is always so hard meeting up with someone if you don't have a phone. I literally told him like, hey, meet up at this place at this time. Hope to see you there. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is so dangerous. I cannot be dancing and driving at the same time. I'm so bored, you guys. So I gave Ron my phone because there's only 3 more minutes left of my challenge, my 1994 challenge. He's the reason for my BTS video, so everyone say hi.
Hi.
Hi. That's Zach.
Pasqua. I got pretty cool dance videos on there.
Would you dance to BTS?
Oh, behind the scenes? Definitely. Oh, the Korean boys.
Yeah, the Korean boys.
No, they're so hot.
And this is Henry. Hi. Oh my god, stop.
She's watching.
Thank you. My challenge is over, you guys. No more 1994. I'm done. So yeah, that was my 7th day. That concluded my 90s challenge. I'm so grateful for things being so convenient and just so readily available to you. Sometimes we take those things for granted. Like, sorry to get really deep and all, but I think this challenge really helped me to just appreciate life and just to appreciate the things around you, you know, because when I didn't have my phone on me all the time, I was just looking out into the world. I was able to interact with people more. I definitely challenge you guys like to try it. I'm not telling you to do it a week because let me tell you, that was hard. But I do challenge you guys to do it for at least one day, because I don't know, it might change your outlook on how you see certain things, and maybe you will feel grateful and appreciative of the things you have, just like how I did. Like, I would love to see you guys like sending me stories like during, wait, you guys can't do that though, because you're not supposed to be on your phone. Never mind, scratch that. Just let me know how it goes afterwards. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying till the very end to see this mess of a challenge. But yeah, so I love you guys all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!